Christmas is undeniably a joyous occasion. Are you ready for the Christmas feasts? Make your gatherings even more special and complete this year. Celebrate with the beautiful and delicious holiday cakes of Red Ribbon, the star of your holiday celebration. This year, Red Ribbon has 3 beautifully crafted, delicious round cakes to complete our holiday celebrations. Red Velvet Bliss, a delicious and beautiful velvety treat to share with the ones you love. Black Forest Cake, a luscious chocolate cherry treat that elevates every celebration. And of course, Red Ribbon's Holiday Chocolate Dedication Cake. This one will totally add Christmas feels to your homes with its Christmas-themed design and rich chocolatey flavor. You can even add a customized holiday dedication on top of the cake. It's available starting December 19. Make this year a memorable Christmas for your family. Red Ribbon's holiday cakes will definitely make this momentous event even more special and complete. And you won't have to spend a lot because its price starts at 470 pesos only. So, are you Christmas ready? I know I am, and I'm serving all this for my family this Christmas. They are also a great gift for your loved ones, a special treat for the special people in your life. Merry Christmas!